Hi friends, in today's video, let's learn how to subtract a number from the powers of 10. That is from 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore means 1 followed by many zeros in a very easy manner using one simple Vedic sutra. So let's start. To do the subtraction in a easy way, we have to remember this sutra Nikhilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. You can repeat along with me. Nikhilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. Let's see what does it mean. Nikhilam. It's been divided into two parts. Navataha and Charamam Dashataha. So we'll be saying Nikhilam Navataha and Charamam Dashataha. Let's see what does it mean. Nikhilam means adding to get. So adding to get Navataha means adding to get number 9. Next, Charamam Dashataha. Charamam means the last digit, last number. Dashataha means adding to get 10. Completely in English, we can call it to be as all from 9 and the last from 10. You can remember this? Let's see in detail what does it mean. Nikhilam, adding to get. Navataha means 9. Charamam Dashataha means to get 10. So what does it mean? We'll start with 9. Navataha. We will be starting with this 9 Navataha means adding to get 9. We can see we are having the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can remember this trick so that it becomes easy for us to do the subtraction. The first one, how much should be added to 0 to get 9? Navataha, Nikhilam Navataha. If a number 0 is there, how much should be added to this? Yes, it is 9. Come to the next one, 1. How much should be added to 1 to get 9? Yes, it's 8. Similarly, how much should be added to 2 to get 9? It is 7. Coming to 3. How much should be added to 3 to get 9? Yes, it's 6. Now, how much should be added to 4 to get 9? 5. How much should be added to 5 to get 9? Nikhilam Navataha. If 5 is there, how much you should add so that you will get Navataha, 9. So it is 4. Now consider 6. How much should be added to 6 to get Navataha, 9? It is 3. Next one, it is 7. How much should be added to 7 to get 9? It is 2. How much should be added to 8 to get 9? It is 1. And the last one, 9. To get Navataha, Nikhilam Navataha. How much should be added to 9 to get 9? Absolutely, it is 0. So this pattern you can remember for 9, Nikhilam Navataha. Now we will move on to Charamam Dashataha. Charamam means the last digit. So in the same manner, we will consider now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we have to see now here, we are dealing with Charamam Dashataha. Dasha means it is 10. So how much should be added to 0 to get 10? It's 10. How much should be added to 1 to get 10? It is 9. Similarly to 2, we should add 8 to get 10. How much should be added to 3 to get 10? It is 7. How much should be added to 4 to get 10? It is, yes, 6. Now, how much should be added to 5 to get 10? Absolutely, it is 5. Now, to 6, how much should be added? It is 4. How much does it make? How much should be added to 7 to get 10? It is 3. How much should be added to 8 to get 10? 8 plus 2. 9 plus how much is 10? 1. So this is Charamam Dashataha. If you know these two things, completely the subtraction becomes very, very easy for you and can do it in fraction of seconds. Now let's see an example how to do it using this Vedic Sutra. 100 minus 63. The most important point in this subtraction, we always start from the left hand side. In normal subtraction, we will be doing the subtraction from ones place onwards, but here always start from left hand side. So the sutra is Nikhilam Navataha. Means how much should be added to 6 to get 9. So how much it should be added? It is 3. Now move on to 3. If you observe in 63, 3 is the last digit. So Charamam, the last digit should be 10. So how much should be added to 3 to get 10? It is 7. That's it over. Our difference is 37. 100 minus 63 is 37. So easy, right? Let's see once. The traditional method of subtraction which you will be doing normally, we'll be starting from ones place, right? So 0 minus 3, it's not possible. Tick, 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 move on to your neighbor. 0. You can't borrow anything. Again, tick, 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 neighbor. 1. So you can borrow here. Now 1, it will become 0. And here 0, it will become 10. Again 9. Now 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 3, it is 7. And 9 minus 6, it is 3. 37 is the answer. Such a lengthy process, isn't it? If you miss borrowing any of the number also, the difference goes wrong. So let's see some examples using this method. Nikhilam Navataha, Charamam Dashataha. Now, one more example. 100 minus 84. As we discussed earlier, in Vedic Sutra subtraction, we always start from left hand side. So here 84, 8. We will start from 8. So the sutra is Nikhilam Navataha. So how much should be added to 8 to get 9? Navataha, 9. So 8 plus 1. Now in 84, it's a 2-digit number and 4 is the last digit. So the rule is Charamam Dashataha. How much should be added to 4 to get 10? It is 6. So easy. The difference is 16. 100 minus 84 is 16. Let's start with one more example. 1000 minus 467. As discussed, we will start from left hand side. 4. So how much should be added to 4 to get 9? Nikhilam Navataha. So it is 5. Move on to 6. 6 plus how much is 9? It is 3. Now 7. If you observe here, 7 is the last digit. So to the last digit, the sutra is Charamam Dashataha. That means how much should be added to 7 to get 10? It is 3. So 1000 minus 467 is 533. So easy, isn't it? Now see, such a big number now, isn't it? So subtraction, borrowing and taking, it takes a lot of time. But now you see, we follow the sutra. How much should be added to 7 to get 9? 2. How much should be added to 5 to get 9? Nikhilam Navataha. 4. Again, how much should be added to 3 to get 9? 6. Nikhilam Navataha. How much should be added to 2 to get 9? 7. How much should be added to 9 to get 9? 0. Now the last digit, 6 is the last digit. So we should consider Charamam Dashataha now. So how much should be added to 6 to get 10 now? It is 4. The difference is ready. 246704. So easy, right? Now one more example. Wow, it is 1 lakh minus 574. We'll follow the same rule. But before doing, you can observe here 574. 574 is written and to the left hand side there are no digits. So to a convenience sake, we can write it as 0 and 0. You can write, isn't it? The value does not change. It is still 574 only. So let's start. The same sutra, Nikhilam Navataha. So 0 plus how much is 9? Or how much should be added to 0 to get 9? It is 9. 0 plus how much is 9? 9. 5 plus how much is 9? 4. 7 plus how much is 9? 2. Nikhilam Navataha. Now the last digit 4. So last means it is Charamam Dashataha. So what should be added to 4 to get 10? So it is 6. So the difference is 99,426. Let's check such a big number now. See what we have to do. The same method. Let's start. We are writing zeros where the digits are not there. Let's start from the left hand side corner here, this side from 0. So Nikhilam Navataha. How much should be added to 0 to get 9? 9. Same again. How much should be added to 0 to get 9? 9. 0. How much should be added? 9. Now, Nikilam Navataha. How much should be added to 4 to get 9? 5. How much should be added to 0 to get 9? 9. Same again. 9. Now, how much should be added to 6 to get 9? 3. How much should be added to 7 to get 9? It is 2. And now, last digit. Last means it is Charamam Dashataha. So, how much should be added to 3 to get? Yes, 10. It is 7. So, the difference is ready. Very, very easy. If not, you have to borrow, cross out, cross out, cross out. This will become 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Again, you have to subtract. Such a lengthy process. Let's see one more example. It's a special case. Say such a big number. -7280000. So many times you are having 0. You can observe. We'll follow the same rule as it is. Nikilam Navataha, Charamam Dashataha. So towards the left hand side here there are no digits. I'm writing it to be as 0 and 0. So we will start with the rule. Nikilam Navataha. So how much should be added to 0 to get 9? 9. Same as it is again 0. How much should be added? 9. Coming to 7. Nikilam Navataha. 7 plus how much is 9? 2. 2 plus how much is 9? 7. Now you observe here, if you are observing, here 8 is there. After 8, all zeros are there. And on the top also, if you are observing all zeros. So we can consider this 8 to be as the last digit. That means now we are considering the rule to be as Charamam Dashataha. That means how much should be added to 8 to get 10? It means 8 plus how much is 10? It is 2. So remaining all the digits you can write it as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is our final difference. This is the answer. I have posted a worksheet in the description. You can practice the worksheet and also I have given the answers also for that one. You can cross check your answers. Little bit of practice will make you perfect. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.